AMS2 is now my favorite racing sim. It's funny because I love this game as much as I thought I would love R Factor 2. And while I don't dislike R Factor 2,
Hey Jamal, real quick.
like it was kind of disappointing.
So, Hypercar is in Project Cars 2, right?
Man,
I'm seeing a lot of content popping up like LMH cars, and I think it's Project Cars. I thought it was going to be this one right here, but I just thought I'd throw that out there, dude. Hypercar is on Project Cars.
man, I ain't played Project Cars since the last time I played it, and I was, I don't like Project Cars. I'll just put it that way. I don't.
Disappointed that I didn't fall in love with it, as a lot of people said that I would. Didn't fall in love with it like I fell in love with this game. I like it so much, in fact, that I haven't touched
Man,
Iris.
this does look like Long Beach, you guys, by the way. I am from LA.
Hello, everybody, and
This
welcome.
I like how real this looks.
Wet, very slippery, very dark. Long Beach.
Hey, look at his driving gloves.
Back in the Y2K Champ car because honestly, I can't get enough of it.
Got like the
I'm
old
excited
school
to
red
see
ones,
what the devs at Riot Studios
That looks like
are coming. I think
red
they said
like brown.
this year. I bought the full
I was gonna say that looks like the Deadpool. Deadpool, his hands or something.
If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the like
Those
button.
are some interesting gloves.
All of my new subscribers. This was a
This is a
fantastic
terrible
tip,
start.
so I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll
You got to
see
start on
guys
that
in the
little
next
like
video.
hairpin
Oh
area right
man, Long Beach has a horrible yeah. Damn, I missed those Indy cars. Look at that in the rain too. Formula,
there.
you gotta tell us how the wet weather physics feel in this.
See how many positions he moves up.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, so you get well, let's see here. And did we oh, okay. Wait, hold on. Good safe driving. He didn't do a Ricardo. Danny, if you're paying attention, you need to learn from Formula Otaku right about now. Ooh, on the outside. Let's go. Let's go. What do we got? What do we got? Yeah. Make it stick. Make it stick. Make it stick. Oh, no. Good attempt, though. I like it. Be aggressive. Let them know. Hey, dude, I'll take you on the inside or the outside. Oh, shh. Oh, we got a 2-for-1. We got a twofer. We got a twofer. We got a twofer. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, snap. Wait. Yeah, dude, you're testing that guy right there. How are you gonna do in traffic? Oh shit, 3 wide. Let's go.
He's looking good so far.
I like it. I like it. This is in the wet. Okay, wait a minute. We still got homeboy on the inside. Oh, no, we did. We got him. We got him. Okay, wait. No, okay, we're on the inside. Right here. Okay. So what? We picked up what 3 or 4 positions so far.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's 3 or 4. 4.
Man, I'm really yeah. Formula's got me really wanting to try this. I just want to see what this is about. Checking the mirrors, I see. See, you get extra points, dude, when you do wet races at night. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is literally the hardest shit to do.
little mischief right there.
It's all good. Didn't really affect any positions. Let's see. And we've got traffic coming up. Oh, you know, we also got to give him bonus points because he's rocking the VR too.
Because he's what?
Rocking the VR.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because I see him peeking back on the mirror. Damn, this looks like fun.
It's getting wetter.
Yeah, and darker. That's what I'm saying. This looks like fun. Oh, okay. Let's see here. There we go. There we go. Yeah, peek inside. Okay. Follow him through. Follow him through. Yes. Yes. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. We just sent somebody off. Now, that might have been a racing incident. I don't know. I'm not sure how they judged that, how they scored that or judged that.
That was a teammate.
Oh, that's worse. Okay.
I think it was. I don't know.
Formula, don't do that to your teammates, bro.
Get out of here, teammate.
Ah.
Nice overtake.
Yeah, that was nice.
I like how he's able to still see the brake markers.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it's kind of hard to pay attention when it gets, like wet and dark, and then you're going so fast,
Yeah, that's why you gotta have like various reference points, like points on the wall, trees, stuff like that, right? Give you your visual cues.
I lost count how many places he moved up.
Yeah, I did too. I think it's probably like about 5 or 6. Oh, now we got some spray going on. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what's curious about that is how that translates on the graphics in terms of vision.
Is that in terms of vision?
Yeah, when the spray is coming up like in your face, so to speak. I'm throwing that in air quotes.
Mm-hmm. Well, I do know an ACC is very tough to see.
Yeah,
So
because look in this race, right? Once again, we have like over the course of the race, we have a change in the light conditions. Look how dark everything is now, and now we have more rain, more spray. So now well, in my view anyway, I wear glasses. This is a lot harder. This is a lot harder to see.
yeah, and then one thing let's keep in mind is this is recorded. This is not to the
This isn't
best.
real time. Yeah.
This isn't real time. Real time, it was probably difficult for him to really see.
Well,
You know?
look at the spray. Look at the reflection on the asphalt. You see the
Yeah.
light reflection. That's why I'm very curious about AMS2 now. I mean, like this looks, dude. Dude, I'm from Southern California. That looks exactly like the downtown Long Beach course. That looks exactly like downtown Long Beach. And like, look at the realism in the reflection on the ground, the water, the spray. I need to try it. I want to know what it feels like, so to speak, right? You and I both know we've talked a lot. We've done a lot of different conditions in ACC. We can talk about feel when it comes to that, but look at this right here. You know, I can't really speak to AMS2, but this shit looks gorgeous.
For the past 3 laps or 4 laps, he's been battling a guy right behind him. So he's been holding his own.
Yeah, see, he's really what he's trying to do is attack the guy in front of him.
Yeah, but that guy behind him's been putting that pressure on him. He's been
Oh
staying
yeah,
calm.
yeah, but remember we was talking philosophy. I'm always like, screw whoever's behind you, attack the guy in front of you, right? That guy's behind him, but if anything, he's trying to hunt down the dude in front of him. So as long as you're preoccupied with hunting down the guy in front of you, the guy behind you has a problem on his hands. Like, let him figure that crap out. Like, bro, I ain't trying to really defend you like that. I'm trying to hunt down these dudes in front of me. Yeah, you better get like me, homie. Oh, whew, that was close.
He's gonna go for it here.
Yeah.
He's gonna
Whoa,
get two.
we good. Oh shit, I thought we got a 2-for-1. Okay.
They're
Woo.
teammates.
Woo. Oh my god, my heart's in my throat right now.
Oh man,
Ooh, nice.
that's what I hate about the AI. They break really, really early.
The AI thinks they're smarter than you. Well, yeah, dude behind him can't really do nothing.
Not at all.
As I'm saying, man, he's on a hunt, man. When you're on the hunt, man, I'm sorry, dude. That guy behind you doesn't exist. Bro, I'm gonna have to rock with some AMS too just to try it out, dude. This looks pretty good. That race looked like a lot of fun. And what the hell? I've always wanted to race like the old school Indy cars.
So you got eighth.
Eighth,
You got eighth.
dude. I'm gonna tell you right now. One hell of a race. Long Beach, dark light conditions, wet weather conditions, IndyCar, eighth position. Dude, I'm gonna give him a 9.7.5 on this one.
I can dig that.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
that was a damn good run, dude.
Yeah, he always drives good in the rain, man.
Yeah.
I'm really loving like his rain driving. But he moved all the way up to eighth place. I can't remember how many people, started.
I think it
But
was. I think he clipped because he got that. He got that. It was almost a 2-for-1 at the end. I want to say he picked up like 6 positions throughout the race, 6 or 7 positions throughout the race.
he said it was tough to do though. Even I had to change some because of the breaking points I used because it started to get darker in the
Yep.
headset than it is on the screen.
See, bro, see what I be telling you about how the light conditions change, how it affects it, dude. Even if I'm looking at my monitor, or I'm saying like my screen or whatever, when the light levels change, dude, I'm sorry, the breaking points, dude, they're different. And I notice when it starts to get darker, or if I run dark races or stuff like that, I can't quite pick it up as easy as I can if I'm running daytime light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, he said he started 16. So
16 and finished 8th. So what? That was 8th position.
8th position. That's really good.
That
Man.
was, that was damn good. That was damn good. In those conditions, that was really good.
So since he finished the race, he didn't like wreck or anything like that. So I'm gonna give him a 9.6.